Hello. Today I have a 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee, uh, the 3.6 liter engine. I want to show you something weird that the car was fine, drove fine, and suddenly one day trying to start it, and the car starts smoke, a lot of smoke, and misfiring for no reason. Everything goes good. Oil is fresh, spark plug, coil, everything goes fine. But what I found when I start to drive the car, and I find that is no brakes. When I hit the brake, it goes all the way down to the floor, and I couldn't stop the car. So I checked when I checked the oil, because I changed this oil like a month ago or something, and then the oil smelled weird, and when I touch it, also I felt like it's not the motor oil. Something is wrong. So I was trying to find where is the leak for the brake, because there was no fluid. That was full. The reservoir was full, and there was no leak anywhere. So I figure the problem is there is a brake fluid went into the engine. And that's how the smoke and the misfire coming from. So I follow the hose coming from the booster, the vacuum hose. Usually goes from here to over there, this one right here. And it was dry, but when I moved the intake bolt, and I look inside uh, the throttle body, and I see a lot of oil inside. When I checked it, there was a brake fluid. Also, the vacuum pump was leaking. This one was leaking too. So I decided to open the booster, the brake master cylinder. I take it off because I'm sure that the seals inside there is gone, and it drip fluid inside the booster. And I was right. If you look inside here, I don't know if you can see it clearly. See? That's a brake fluid. And so now this hose is sucked the brake fluid from the booster into the engine. So thank God, because brake fluid inside the engine, it will damage your seal. So if it's a misfire, that means the valve stem went bad. But thank God, I dropped the oil and I flushed it twice, and the third time the smoke and the smell is gone. So thank God that no one drove it after that, catch it very quick. And I got a used booster and a master cylinder. Going to replace it now. I'm also gonna open this and check inside, make sure there's nothing in. Be honest, I never seen this before. Just curious. A lot of smoke and misfiring for no reason. But I just made this video. Someone wondering how this happened. So that's it. Please like and subscribe for more videos, and if you have any question, just comment below. Thanks.